Hello, today we will talk about the TP-Link range extender. Be right back. Before we get started, support me by clicking the like and the subscribe button. Let's begin. In my hands now, the range extenders from TP-Link. In my right hand is the TP-Link 1750 range extender. And in my left hand I have the TP-Link 2600 range extender. The purpose of this thing is to pull the internet of the main network and cover the home. For example, the main router is in the first floor, and the second floor, the internet is so bad. With this thing, the internet will be better in the second floor. For the long distance, I advise you to buy the AC 2600 range extender. It will be better more the 1750, because the 1750 is for the middle or short distance. The AC 2600 come with 4 columns. Setting up this device is so easy. Firstly, you need to download the app from the store. If you're using iOS, you can go to the App Store, after that to the search bar and type Tether. And if you use Android devices, go to the Play Store and search for the Tether app. Now we will talk about the TP-Link AC 1750 range extender. It comes with 3 columns. And its weight is lighter than AC 2600. For the plug, it will be different according to the region you live in. Now, let's go to the setup. Now, plug in the range extender. And make sure to make account in the Tether app. Now, go to the settings, after that Wi-Fi, and you should see the network name. It will be TP-Link_EXT_numbers. In my case, it will not be appear because I did not restore my device to the default settings. After you finish, go to the Tether app and you will see your device. Press it and wait. From this menu, you should see your main network name. Press it and enter the password for your main network. After that, press the blue bar. And if you don't have 5G network, you should press the skip. It will be in the top right. From here you can change the name and the password for your extender. After that, press the blue bar and wait. Congratulations, you did it. Now press the join button. Now you're connected to the range extender network. If you want to make sure that the location of the device is appropriate, press Tools and from this menu, press the Location Assistant. From here, press the blue bar again and wait. From here, you will know if the device is in a stable location. That's it. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.
Put it out the coupe at the lot.